Let's try and put 4 strokes down on the bass and then 4 strokes on the high, so you guys can just have a little look at how much I actually move.